you're looking for a replacement for refined white sugar, I have good news for you. I made date syrup yesterday and it's quite easy. So I bought dates for 1.5 and then I washed them in warm water. Then I placed them in a pot, added cold water, normal water. Now cook till it boils or the date is soft. Take it out of the water and leave it to cool. When it cools, remove the seed and then pour back the date into the water. Add some more water and cook for 40 minutes on low heat. Low heat, guys, till you have this. Next, get a clean pot and your cheesecloth. This is the same fabric we use when we are making pap to sieve out the pap. Now put your date inside it as little as possible and squeeze out as much liquid as you can. Put those herbs to use. Now this is what I have, guys. Before I go on, what do I do with this chaff? I cannot waste it though. So next we are going to boil this for about 35 minutes on low heat. Now you want it to reduce like this and thicken a bit. You see what I mean? Now your syrup is ready. So that quantity of dates made me 1.5 jar of date syrup. This is why your date syrup vendors sell their date syrup at that price. It takes a lot to make one. So will you be trying out this?